Until a few years ago, Jeremy used this 55 horsepower Track Marshall 55 for rolling. It's seen at work in 2010, being driven by Des whilst rolling in wheat. The 55 appeared in 1959 when the Track Marshall's Perkins L4 engine was replaced by the direct injection 4270D. It gained 5 extra horsepower and became known as the 55 to reflect the new power rating. The colour was changed from orange to yellow in 1964 when Marshalls claimed to have over 60% of the British agricultural crawler market. This 55 was bought new by the farm in 1967 from Choppin & Co. of Saffron Walden. It originally pulled a Ransom's Quintrack plough, but in more recent years only carried out lighter top work and rolling. The impressive homemade rolls are 10.5 metres wide and are a good load for the crawler.